Hey, what's up? It's me again, John Vaughn, if you remember, founder and CEO of Tier 5. Anyways, look, I really want to thank you for going ahead and grabbing your birthday wisher account. I don't really care if you got the free account or if you took the offer to get a discount and go ahead and upgrade and get the pro account or get the unlocked account. Either way, whether you bought something, obviously if you bought something, I really appreciate it. If you just took the free thing, I also appreciate you trying out our software. I know you're going to love it. Anyways, thank you. That's it. That's all I want to say. Thank you. If you check your email, we did go ahead and send you it should be this email address right here, accounts@tier5.us. It should be that email address. If not, it for sure comes from an @tier5us email, but I'm pretty sure it comes from accounts@tier5.us. Actually, one of my employees sets all that up, so sometimes I just don't know. But anyways, if you check your email from accounts@tier5.us or just @tier5.us, you'll have an email that will have all your login information, so you can go ahead and actually log in. And if you look right down below, it's also in the email, but if you look right down below, there's a link where you can download Birthday Wisher, install it from the official Google Chrome store. It is a Google Chrome extension. If you need any help and support, any type of help and support, we're always here, as long as you're not a jerk. If you are a jerk, we'll also help you. All right. So we do have a full staff. We do have a full team that's here to help you with anything that you need. Just keep in mind, sometimes Facebook makes some changes, and if they make some changes, sometimes it disrupts the software a little bit, but we have a full engineering team. If that ever happens, you just let them know, hey, there's this problem, there's that problem, and they will go in and very quickly, they'll fix everything and get it working. That only happens when Facebook makes changes, and Facebook does that from time to time. But if you need any help whatsoever, this is also in the email, just contact support@tier5.us. You can just send us an email, or there's live chat, or you can actually get on Discord. That should be in your email as well. You can get on our Discord server and you can access support there. Anyways, click the link below. You can download the extension, check your email. You'll find all your login information. If you did sign up for the upgrade, you'll already be upgraded. If at any time, for any reason whatsoever, you decide you don't want to wish people happy birthday anymore, you don't want to convert leads into customers, or you just want to cancel for whatever reason, you can just send an email to support@tier5.us or accounts@tier5.us. You just send us an email, and we'll hate to see you go, but we will get your account canceled. All you got to do is send us an email. Again, thank you very much. Yeah, that's it.